You've probably heard about the new favorites list on Instagram, and like any new algorithmic change and or feature on a platform, you know that you need to jump on this opportunity now before everyone else does. And if you want to know how to make the most of this in a way that benefits your business ASAP, well then this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt. And today I'm going to discuss favorites list on Instagram, how to increase your conversions. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, here's the deal. The favorites list changes everything. It's just this simple. If you can get people to add you to their favorites feed or list, then your reach will increase because your content will show up in their feed more often. Period. Now, there's a maximum amount of accounts that people can add to their favorites list, and that's 50. So your goal is to get anyone who is already following you anywhere on social and those on your email list to add you to their favorites. It's super easy for people to do. Step 1, they can, from their homepage, tap the word Instagram in the top left-hand corner, and then when the drop-down list appears, they can tap the word favorites. When they do, they'll be brought to a screen that looks like this. This is where they'll choose the accounts they don't want to miss out on because they enjoy that content created by those Instagrammers the most. So then they'll just tap on the word add favorites and they'll be taken to another screen that will look something like this. And as you can see up top, Instagram's literally telling you new posts from your favorites will appear higher in the feed. Only you can see who you add or remove. So Instagram makes some suggestions about who should be in your favorites feed, and you can tap remove if you need to on any accounts who shouldn't make the coveted 50 favorites you get to select. You could certainly add more afterwards that isn't part of this list, of course. So the question on your mind now is likely, how do I get people to add me to their favorites list? So quite frankly, ask them to create content on Instagram and ask them to add your account to their favorites list. Create content on Facebook and other social media platforms and ask them to. Do live streams on any platform you can do a live stream from and ask them to add you to their favorites list. And especially because you're an entrepreneur, you should have an email list from people opting into your list for coupons and or freebies. And of course, that email list of yours should include happy customers too, right? So ask them in an email to add your Instagram account to their favorites list. Why not? But don't just ask your followers and customers to do it. Give them a great reason why they should. Let them know that your posts will show up higher in their feed when they do it, but also let them know why your posts are valuable to them. Remind everyone that your content isn't nothing but sales announcements. You've got content that entertains them, educates them, and inspires them, because if you're an account with valuable content like that, relationship marketing based content, then you're putting more deposits into the bank of know, like, and trust. And trust me, the more your followers on Instagram get to know, like, and trust you, the more likely it is that they'll buy from you when they're ready, willing, and able to. So let them know what the benefit is to them to add you to their favorites list. The sheer fact that your content will appear higher in their feed, if you tell them that and nothing else, That's just what benefits you. Let them know what's in it for them, and they're more likely to do it. And then your content gets priority placement in their feed from now on because you're in their favorites list. Then just keep cranking out content that serves as a value add and not always a sales pitch. And guess what? They'll keep you on their favorites list. Need more help in terms of crafting relationship marketing content that converts? You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. That's the whole point of this channel after all. So now I want to hear from you. Are you going to use these tips to get more people to add you to their favorites on Instagram right away? Well, go ahead. Comment below because I do read your comments and I want to cheer you on for doing it too. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to, pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my thoughts when it comes to the favorites list on Instagram and how to increase your conversions. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll also teach you great content marketing strategies.